Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you for watching my presentation. It is great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur'aeni from class 1B in Poltekkes Kemenkes Semarang. In this opportunity, I would like to present manual processing radiographic film. As for the structure of the event this morning is a first opening, second presentation of papers, and third closing. First, before the event we start, let us open it with reading Bismillah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, let's start our presentation. The next event is presentation of paper. Manual processing radiographic introduction. Radiographic film consists of transparent blue tide base content on both sides with an emulsion. The emulsion consists of gelatin containing microscopic radiation-sensitive silver halide crystals such as silver bromide and silver chloride. In this condition, the radiograph is said to contain a lengthened image because the change in the grain is virtually unstable, but the exposed grains are now more sensitive to reaction with the developer. When the film is processed, it is exposed to several different chemical solutions for controlled periods of time. Manual processing. 1. Developing film. The exposed film is immersed in the developing solution until the image emerges, depending on the exposure time of film and concentration of the developing solution. The time taken for development ranges from a few seconds to a few minutes. Rising in water. After developing the film, it is raised in water for 15 to 20 seconds before placing in the fixer. This slows down the development process and removes any alkali of the developing solution before placing in adhesive fixer. 3. Film is placed in the fixer for about 8 to 10 minutes. The reaction of the fixing solution is to remove the unexposed silver halide crystal and harden the emulsion. Long fixing time can cause film fog and loss of proper contrast. 4. Washing of film. The film should be washed thoroughly for surface, lack of time in running water to remove reduce, res, residual fixing solution. If the silver compound if the silver compounds are not removed, there can be strains of the film. Discoloration of the image can also result due to the presence of trisulfide and these products. 5. Drying and mounting of film. The last step in the processing is drying the film and mounting for viewing. The film should be dried in a relatively dust-free environment. Commercially dryers are available for drying the film. Drying a film is very important as sometimes the watermarks can result in artifacts. The process film should be properly identified, mounted, and then viewed under transillumination. Basic principles. X-ray film has the function of capturing the image of the of the desired image so that it can be seen. As a types of film, according to the structure, first single emulsion and second double emulsion. According to its use, first non-screen and second screen film. According to the sensitive color, blue is sensitive and green is sensitive. Thank you. Finally, You know but manual processing radiographic film. Well, that is the end for the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.